Okay, so we want to do 12.530, which says we've got f of x is absolute value of x, and g of x is x minus 8. We want to determine the compositions in both directions. Okay, so if I want to do, I don't know, let's start with f composed with g maybe. Okay, so f composed with g is,
The absolute value of x minus 8.
okay, cool. That's f done to g, right? Okay, so that's f done to x minus 8. And then what does f do to stuff? F takes the absolute value. So I got the absolute value of x minus 8 for this one. And if I want to do g composed with f, that's g done to f of x, right? So that's g done to what?
To the absolute value of x.
Good. Okay, so I put the absolute value of x in everywhere, what?
X's.
Everywhere there's an x in the rule g, right? Okay, so that'd give me,
The absolute value of x minus 8.
cool. You guys know what the graphs of these look like?
Interesting. And you know that they're all can only be positive.
Yeah, they're kind of like V-shaped things, right? So we're going to learn this later, like in 10 minutes or something. But we could look at this one as the absolute value of x with a shift before I did the absolute value. So that's this is subtracting it, that's a shift right. So that's going to look like a V like this, where this stop was at 0, 0, right? Shifting it right will make it at 8, 0. So that's f composed with g. And if we want to graph this other one, this one's actually easier. This is like the usual absolute value of x, right? And I took 8 away from it. What's that going to do?
It's just going to shift it down.
It's going to shift it, yeah, vertically, right? Because I'm subtracting from the y's. So that'll give me a V shape like this, where this dot is at
0,
0,
or
negative 8. Yeah, cool. Good with that?